Ever wanted to store, save, and apply your prompts anywhere? Well, you're in luck by joining the Intellectual League community. I'm happy to see you joining here and happy to know you get access to free tools to simplify your prompting process. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to use the Intellectual League prompting tools. I'm going to tell you how you can set up the extension, but also the overall dashboard and interface to leverage it for your AI content creation process. Let's get started. The first step when you have registered to the Intellectual League community is to set up your account and your prompts. The first thing you access is the member dashboard, where there's already a lot of tools you can use. So you can, of course, first download the Chrome extension if you have already done it. And you can also download a free book about the best prompting practices when you want to ensure you get high quality AI content. This ebook has a lot of insights and example you can take inspiration from. So I really recommend you to read it before going further. Otherwise, you want to use the extension to save, store, and apply everywhere your prompts. You can already start by saving some prompts. So at first you won't have any prompt saved, but you can go to the prompt library when you access all the prompts that I have myself curated and used personally, and they work very well to get high quality content, piece of content, like for example, a YouTube script, an essay, a story, a fiction writing, a Facebook post, etc. So you just have to go to these articles and just take the prompt that you want. For example, here we're gonna use this article, and here, as you can see, you can just save any prompt that you want. So usually it's step-by-step prompts, because it's a prompting method I recommend is to do step-by-step prompting, so that you give a lot of instructions and information to your LLM, so you're sure to get the most quality result. So here it's simple. You just save the prompt that you want to use. So for example, I want to do an essay. So I'm just gonna save all of these prompts, and then I'm gonna go to the dashboard. So as you can see here, you have already your prompts into the dashboard. So for example, here you just have to fill up all these customized fields that I put in the prompts based on your own task. Now let's say I want to write an essay about industrial robotics. So for manufacturers, an audience of manufacturers we're interested in optimizing their manufacturing output. Say it has to be informative, persuasive. Okay, and then you can also add your own instruction, the rest of the prompt, but that's already good. I'm gonna keep this prompt, but you can also customize it. And this prompt also is, I think it's good because it's a sample I use especially for an essay. So you can also keep this sample, but if you have your own sample of your personal style, you can of course add it here, because it will give a concrete example to the LLM that it can easily imitate. Yeah, and then the rest, I think I'm gonna keep it like this. And now to use this prompt, we'll have to download the Chrome extension because it's more convenient. You can apply this prompt that you have here now saved everywhere, and that's really cool. So yeah, that's why the Chrome extension is nice. Then when you have the extension downloaded, you can go to the interface of the extension on ChatGPT, and you can then log in with your login detail that you got from your Intellectual League registration. And as you can see here, you have the prompts that you have selected on the Intellectual League interface on the dashboard. You have them here. So that's quite cool because you just have to apply them in a new page. And then I'm gonna just apply the prompts. So just by clicking on the Use in ChatGPT button, as you can see, it's as simple as that. And then when it's the part of the outline. So that's a part where I recommend you to add some input about your subject you want to tackle. So here, like I said, I'm just gonna write an essay about, for example, industrial robotics in South Korea or something. So here you can add your own input here, your own outline or draft of ideas. You can add them here. So your essay will be more informed, personalized, and unique based on your own insights. But you can also use the research, of course, feature. I'm gonna provide it with a simple outline that will enrich with the web search feature. So for number one, South Korea robotic adoption, South Korea robotic economy, South Korea robotic innovation. It's a simple example, but you get where I want to go here. And I'm just gonna click, and as you can see, it's already quite a good outline. And then I'm gonna use another prompt here for the here for the introduction, I'm gonna remove this part. As you can see, it's already a well-informed and detailed introduction. I'm gonna use the rest of the prompt. So as you can see, you can add some specification. Here you can insert your word count. So for example, from what I see, it's already a quite articulate essay here section with a lot of nuances. It looks quite good. I mean, of course, it won't be one from a really good expert on the subject, but it seems already fine. As I said, you can always add your own input. And then I'm gonna use also an editing, a humanizing prompt. So the one I also used. Yeah, it looks a bit more engaging and straight to the fact, and it sounds way more human already. Now, what if you already have your own set of prompts and you want to save them into the extension so that you can use them everywhere? It's also quite simple. So you go to ChatGPT or to any other kind of tool and actually just have to highlight one section of text and you can save it as an intellectual prompt into the extension. So that's really good. For example, here I have a set of prompts that I use to create SEO articles for my own brand, and I'm just gonna save it here. So this one, which is a prompt for persona, so I save it. You can see there's a notification telling you it's saved. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna save this one. And then, as you can see now, you have access to this prompt already into the interface. To be sure to find them easily, you can edit them, edit the title and the category. So for example, here it's EL writing prompt, and I'm gonna create a new category, EL writing, for all my prompts from this category. So I have already this one. I'm gonna edit this one, so that's the outline. I'm gonna add it to the category. Okay, and now as you can see, I just go to the filter of the category and then I get all the prompts of this category, so I can just easily use them. So for example, here I go there and I go to the first prompt, then the second prompt, and then the outline. But the outline I have to edit it because I added actually the example in there. So I just kind of I'm gonna remove this, that it's more a template than actual prompt, and I'll be able to use it. Okay, now I have this and I just have to create my article. So maybe about the best AI humanizers. So of course, you can add your own, do a research, and then I'm just gonna prompt the other prompt to write the first section. And that's it. It's as simple as that. And you get humanized and of quality AI output, way more than just a randomly prompting. And so that's it. I'll let you try all this feature by yourself and use them in your own prompting and AI content creation process. If you use it right, you'll see you'll be able to create way more quality AI content than just by, as I said, randomly prompting your LLM. I think this extension is a good way to learn the right prompts and also to save time when you want to save all your prompts and put them everywhere in every kind of LLM. Just have to click on a button and then save it. Or you can also copy paste it everywhere. And that's a really huge time saver. And I hope you'll enjoy all these features and use them in your benefits. If you have any problems or issue you face with this system, you can just ask the support and we'll help you. And also your feedback will be of course also valuable to improve this first version of the extension. Based on this feedback, we'll soon quickly release a new improved, enhanced user experience with the extension. And this new version will definitely even more improve your prompting process.